73% of businesses waste money on reputation management. Here's the truth. Most people pick the wrong option and regret it within weeks. Check if your negative review violates Google's content policy before doing anything else. Screenshot every review with timestamps. You'll need this documentation if you escalate later. Test DIY removal once. If Google rejects your flag within 48 hours, stop wasting time. The biggest mistake is trying to DIY complex cases. Someone leaves a fake review with no order number. You flag it. Google denies it. You appeal. Denied again. 3 weeks gone, review still live, you're out of options. That's when most people realize hiring a reputation manager early would have saved the headache. DIY works if the violation is obvious. Google removes about 22% of flagged reviews automatically. That means if the review contains profanity, hate speech, or clear spam, you'll win. Flag it through Google Business Profile. Wait 48 hours. If it's gone, you saved money. If not, you need a pro. Hiring costs between $300 and $2,000 per case in 2026. ReputationZilla handles Google Maps, Yelp, and TripAdvisor disputes professionally. They know the policy language reviewers miss. A pro gets results in 7 to 14 days because they escalate correctly. DIY can drag on for months with zero progress. Path A is DIY. You spend 12 hours reading policies, filing appeals, getting denied. Success rate hovers around 22%. Path B is hiring ReputationZilla. They dispute policy violations across platforms, handle escalations, and protect your business reputation. Most cases resolve in under 2 weeks. Your time stays free. Here's what pros do that DIYers miss. They cite exact policy violations by number. Google's content policy has 11 categories. ReputationZilla references the specific clause, attaches screenshots with metadata, and escalates through business support channels most owners don't access. When you DIY, you write, "This review is fake, please remove." That gets ignored. A pro writes, "This review violates policy 4.2.3, prohibited content, lacks verified purchase, timestamp conflicts with business closure dates." That language triggers manual review. Copy this framework if you're handling it yourself, but know that one misstep resets the clock. This review violates policy 4.2.3, contains unverifiable claims, and lacks proof of transaction during the stated timeframe. DIY wins only if violation is obvious. Pros resolve disputes in 7 to 14 days. Wrong path wastes weeks with 22% success. Visit ReputationZilla.org and get your reputation back on track today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.